Chicky, are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, what are we doing?
Opening more Pokemon cards.
Alright, we have the Darkrai Vstar Premium Collection box. Got this on sale at Walmart for Black Friday. We're gonna open it.
I don't do that.
We're gonna rip it open. Rip!
I don't believe it.
Gotta rip it open. Alright. We got our cards. Okay.
Take a poke. Take a poke. Take
Alright.
a poke. Take a poke.
Oh, hold on. So we got our Jumbo Darkrai.
This is the giant one.
Alright, we're gonna set this aside. Look. It's as big as your head. You can cover your face. Yeah, and then we got the little ones, the little version.
How you open that?
Yeah, this one it comes off like this. There, ta-da!
Let me see. I need to see.
Ooh,
I need to
your
see
hands
both.
are all over it. Ta-da! See? See it?
Yeah.
See it?
I will see it again.
But you don't need to touch it. Seeing it doesn't mean touching it. Alright, so we got lots of booster packs. How many booster packs we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many you got? I got 4 booster packs.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, 4 plus 4 is what?
I don't know.
What's 4 plus 4? We got a V-Star card.
7.
Oh my, this boy can't count.
8.
Here you go. Here's the code card.
I trying to open mine.
Alright, let me help you.
Double
Let's
rip
get these-
it. Daddy, double
No.
rip it.
There's no such thing as double rip it. You rip it once. Alright, so we got Halucha,
Halucha.
Weasel,
Lisa.
Gibble,
Biggle.
Trapinch,
Some pins.
Castform,
Test palm.
oh, Reverse Hollow Nose Pass.
I don't
You have
know.
to show it to the camera. If you just Nose Pass.
Just pass.
We got a King Clang,
Cling, cling.
King Clink Clang.
Cling, cling.
We got an energy. Hold on, I will hand it to you. Hold on. You're being impatient. It's a dark energy. We got a Team Yells Cheer.
Oh.
Marnie's Pride. And a Grotto. And another code card.
The code card. I get the code
Alright,
card.
next pack.
Whoops. Whoops.
What should we get? What card do you think we should get? What's a good card? Oh, we got Eevee. Always a fun one. Got Heracross.
A Heckross.
Mantine.
Mankind.
A Quillfish.
Focus.
A Basculin.
Basculin.
We got a Reverse Hollow Heavy Ball. A Braviary. It's a cool M. I like the art on that one. Fighting energy. A Hisuian Electrode. That's cool. Super effective glasses. I like the name of that one. A Bronzong. Yeah. Another code card.
Ah.
So whoever puts the code in first gets it. All right, next pack.
Oh, did I get the card? Did I get the code card?
Are we gonna get a cool card? Hopefully.
Yeah.
Let's see if we get a cool card. Which pack do you think we should?
Lobster. Lobster
try.
one.
It's a Corfish. It's like a lobster.
That's a lobster one.
A Golett.
Gola.
A
Gola.
Chimeco.
Tomato.
Oh, here's Chimchar eating some food. A
Chimcha.
Minccino. Ooh, a Reverse Hollow Gibble. A Mothin. Go Grass Energy. We have a Collapse Stadium. And a Claydol. A Acerola's Premonition. And another code card.
And it's trying to open. No, I'm
Okay, you pick the pack. Which one do you want to open?
This one.
This one? Okay.
Two mine and two wash.
Alright, we got Teddy Ursa. There you go. A Hisuian Sneasel. A Barboach. Mischievous. Scyther. A Reverse Hollow Curlia.
Yeah.
A Shaman.
Singing.
Steel Energy.
Singing.
A Drifblim.
Dublin.
Grant Trainer Card.
One sun's car.
A Piloswine.
Paragon.
And another code card.
Oh,
I will take a picture and show the code cards at the end, so if anyone can't read them. Yeah. Alright. We got, Petal.
showing it.
Yes, you are. We got Bergmite. Hippopotamus. Oh, we got Cyndaquil.
Cyndaquil.
Yep.
I don't
I
have.
got Ponyard.
You know, I get one of these. It's my new Pokemon card.
Yes, you have a Cyndaquil. Oh, we got something good. Okay. We got a Reverse Hollow Yanmega. And then we have a Hisuian Decidueye Vstar. Full art.
I just have
Ooh,
all those
That's
Pokemon
a
cards.
cool one. That one's
I
special.
just have those Pokemon cards.
Yes, you don't have any of these. This is Psychic Energy. We have a Switch Cart. A Cricketune. A Wait and See Turbo. And then we have our code card.
Code card.
Alright, which one's next?
I'm going to show it.
Which one's next?
I'm going to show
Oh, you want to show the
card?
card cards? Alright, here you go. These are the code cards. You can show them to the camera.
It's so cold.
Yep.
Now outside.
Oh, that's just information. Yeah. Ooh, we got a Phalanx. A Poliwag. A Gligar.
That's a giant.
Ooh, here's a Goomy. It's like a snail.
A gummy?
Yeah, we got a Mawile.
Mawile?
It's got a ponytail with a mouth.
This is like a worm. It's like a worm slug. Worm slug.
Alright. We have a Reverse Hollow Volo Trainer. Ooh, and then we have Galarian Berserker V. Reverse Hollow. Fire Energy. A Panic Mask. A Abomasnow. And a Rhydon.
Don't mix.
And then, okay, here. You show our code card. You know what? It goes this way. Because you look at it this way.
This way.
Alright,
Wow.
let's open the pack. Come on.
This time, don't mix up my
Mix up yours. What do you mean?
Don't mix up them. There's only put them on top of charger.
Yeah, they're gonna go on top of the pile.
This one is sticking out.
It's sticking out. Alright, we have Hisuian Growlithe. That one can't see very well, can it? Alright,
See
we
very
have a
well.
Hisuian Voltorb. Go along with our Electro that we got earlier. We have a Rufflet. Have a Ponyta.
I
A
don't have
Rowlet.
Rowlet.
A
I
Reverse
got
Hollow
this
Uxie.
one. I got this one, Daddy.
And a Hollow Glade.
Daddy and I got this one.
Yes, you have Rowlet. There's a Electric Energy.
That's
A
it.
Dua.
Dua?
Jubilife Village. Quilava.
Bingo.
And
Bingo.
a code card.
Bingo.
Bingo.
What is
I thought we were opening Pokemon cards, not bowling. Don't bowl with Pokemon cards.
What is this one?
That's a Vstar card.
On this side, I'm going to sew it.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Actually, I like the art. I like the design of the Vstar card. I like it. We got Murkrow.
That got two
Oh, just
pairs.
stay. Hold on. We can pick it up later. We got Horsey. Another Mawile.
Bowlow.
Shallows.
Salos.
A Binacle.
Uncle.
Ooh, we have full art Nessa trainer card. Looking nice. A Greedent.
Green
We have another Vstar card.
is a card.
Poliwhirl. A Licky.
Licky.
Yep, and he's got a really long tongue.
The super long tongue.
Yeah, so he can lick stuff. Yeah, Relicanth. And then, boom, last code card.
Let's
All
go
right.
down. West boy down.
Which one is your favorite?
Boom.
Which one did you think was coolest? Did you have a cool card? Huh? Do you like Poliwhirl? Poliwhirl is the winner for popular vote from Chicky. Bye! Join us next time, okay? You say bye.
Bye.
Later.